Best hair dryers. Are you looking for the best hair dryers? In this video we will look at some of the best hair dryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. About the tester, Sarah has a combination of straight and slightly wavy 1C hair that is both bleached and color treated, meaning she needs a dryer that's powerful yet gentle enough to protect processed strands. Sarah says she can completely dry her hair in around 10 minutes, which is impressive considering she has fine hair but a lot of it. According to her, the Dyson Supersonic is incredibly fast, powerful, and thoughtfully engineered. She typically starts by rough drying for a few minutes before applying her leave-in products and serums. After wrapping her hair in a towel to let the products absorb, she finishes with a paddle brush when she wants a sleek, polished look. One feature she didn't expect to appreciate as much as she does is the magnetic attachments. They snap on effortlessly and stay secure, making styling smoother and more convenient. She also notes that the long cord is a major plus, especially in her small New York City bathroom, where outlets aren't always ideally placed. While it's not the absolute lightest dryer available, she feels its performance more than makes up for it, and she hasn't felt the need to try anything else. Contributor Annie Blackman agrees that using the Dyson Supersonic feels like a luxury. She loves how quick and quiet it is, along with its lightweight feel and controlled airflow that minimizes frizz. Though she occasionally bumps the power switch by accident, she considers it a minor flaw in an otherwise exceptional tool. Heat settings: 4. Wattage: 1600 W. Attachments: 5. Diffuser, white tooth comb, gentle air, styling concentrator, flyaway attachment. Weight: 1.81 pounds, with cord. Cord length: 9 feet. Best for all hair types. Number 2. Shark SpeedStyle RapidGloss Finisher and High Velocity Hair Dryer. About the tester, Angela has long, wavy hair with 18-inch K-tip extensions, and because she rarely gets trims, her ends tend to feel dry and damaged. Angela admits she was genuinely surprised the first time she used the Shark dryer. The two things that stood out immediately were how lightweight it felt in her hand and how quickly it dried her hair. With the amount of length and extensions she has, drying can usually feel like a marathon. She began by rough drying with the standard dryer setting, then switched to the quick smooth brush attachment to refine the look. The result? She went from soaking wet to sleek and silky in about 20 minutes, an all-time record for her routine. For someone used to long styling sessions, that kind of speed made a noticeable difference. About the tester, Shauna has thick, 3A curly hair that is prone to dryness and low porosity, which makes styling both time-consuming and tricky. Shauna jokingly describes her life in terms of before Shark and after Shark, emphasizing just how transformative the tool has been for her routine. One of the biggest benefits she noticed was the dramatic boost in volume, something she had never been able to achieve at home before. Despite her dense hair, the dryer's lightweight design made the process far less tiring on her arms. The adjustable head allows her to target her roots easily, an essential feature since her heavy curls tend to fall flat at the crown. She also appreciates the versatility. It includes a diffuser and can be used as a traditional dryer, making it suitable for different hair types in her household. Most impressive, though, is the speed. It reduced her blow-dry time by 10 to 15 minutes while delivering shiny, bouncy results. Unlike other blow-dryer brushes she's tried, this one left her hair smooth and styled without excessive heat damage. Heat settings: 3. Wattage: 1700 W. Attachments: 3. RapidGloss Finisher, Quick Smooth Brush, Turbo Concentrator. Weight: 1.66 pounds. Cord length: 8 feet. Best for straight to wavy hair types. Number 3. L'Oreal Professionel AirLight Pro. About the tester, Sarah has 2B/2C curly wavy hair and typically sticks to an air-dry routine focused on enhancing curl definition. According to Sarah, this dryer is undeniably powerful and built for performance. When she needs to speed through her styling routine, it delivers salon-level results in record time. Using a round brush, she can tame and shape her notoriously finicky bangs in under 2 minutes. After that, she switches to the diffuser attachment to handle the rest of her curls, finishing her entire dry in less than 15 minutes. For someone who usually prefers air drying, that level of speed and efficiency makes this tool feel like a worthwhile investment. About the tester, Lily has long, wavy hair that tends to get frizzy. Lily describes this as the fastest hairdryer she's ever tried. It takes her hair from soaking wet to fully dry in roughly 4 minutes. She typically uses a paddle brush to create a smooth, straight foundation, then finishes with a blast of cool air to enhance shine and reduce frizz. Since she doesn't consider herself skilled with a round brush, she often follows up with a curling iron or flat iron to refine the look. No matter how she styles it, the end result is consistently sleek, glossy hair that earns compliments. About the tester, Jessa has long, medium-coarse, wavy hair. Jessa admits she usually dreads blow-drying because it's time-consuming and often leaves her hair puffy. With the AirLight, however, the experience was surprisingly impressive. It dried her slightly damp hair in just over 4 minutes. She even timed it, while smoothing and adding shine. She especially appreciated how it managed to be both powerful and gentle, removing moisture quickly without overheating or causing discomfort. Heat settings, 3. Wattage, 1875 W. Attachments, diffuser, concentrator. Weight, 1.7 pounds. Cord length, 11.5 feet. Best for anyone short on styling time. Number 4. Extronic 3060 Pro ST ACC 75W Soldering Iron Station. Wattage, 75 watts. Temperature range, 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The Extronic 3060 Pro ST ACC Contact Soldering Station combines solid power with thoughtful features that make soldering faster, simpler, and more efficient. With a 75-watt output, the iron heats up quickly, reaching its adjustable temperature range of 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit in about 30 seconds. The clear digital display allows you to monitor and set the exact temperature with confidence, eliminating the guesswork that often comes with analog models. One standout feature is the pair of built-in helping hands. These adjustable clamps securely hold your workpiece in place, freeing both of your hands to manage the solder and iron. We've found this especially useful when aligning multiple small metal components that must remain steady during soldering. Whether you're working on electronics, small hardware repairs, or detailed craft projects, the added stability significantly improves precision and convenience. The station also includes a dedicated holder for a brass tip cleaner, sold separately, as well as a space for a traditional wet sponge. Keeping the soldering tip clean is essential for maintaining consistent heat transfer and smooth solder flow. Since this kit does not include replacement tips, proper maintenance is particularly important to extend the life of the included tip. Overall, this station offers a strong balance of performance, control, and practical accessories for hobbyists and serious DIY users alike. Number 5. IOA 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. Wattage, 75 watts. Temperature range, 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. For DIY enthusiasts who primarily use lead-free solder, the IOA 939D Plus is a dependable and practical option. This digital contact soldering station delivers 75 watts of power and heats within a temperature range of 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, more than sufficient to properly melt and flow lead-free solder, which typically requires higher temperatures than traditional leaded varieties. To help users get started right away, IOA even includes a roll of lead-free solder in the package. The kit comes with 3 interchangeable tips, giving you flexibility for different types of soldering tasks. Whether you're working on small electronic components or slightly larger joints, you can select the most suitable tip and easily replace it once it wears out. A soldering tip cleaner is also included, which is especially important when working with lead-free solder to ensure clean, reliable joints and consistent heat transfer. This model is essentially a streamlined version of IOA's more advanced soldering/rework station. While it appears to offer similar heating performance, it omits additional tools such as a hot air rework gun and built-in voltmeter. If you don't need those extra features for electronics production or complex repairs, this station provides excellent value and performance at a lower price point. It's a smart, cost-effective choice for hobbyists and general repair work.